A set in Python is a collection of unique elements which are unordered and mutable. Python provides various functions to work with set1. Let's start by looking at how we can add and remove elements from a set. We can use the add method to add a given element to a set1. For example, let's say we have a set S with the elements G, E, K, S. We can add the element F to the set by calling s.add. Now our set S contains the elements G, E, K, S, F1. We can also remove elements from a set using the discard and remove methods. Both methods remove the specified element from the set, but the discard method doesn't raise an error if the element is not found while the remove method does one. For example, let's say we want to remove the element G from our set S. We can do this by calling s.discard. Now our set S contains the elements E, K, S, F1. There are many other set methods available in Python such as clear, which removes all elements from the set, pop, which returns and removes a random element from the set, and copy, which returns a shallow copy of